From Shakina lookalikes to Quay Quay in Rustenburg. When Neo appeared on Date My Family on Sunday night, he went through the most, which included dodgy potential dates and claims of being superficial. The data analyst met the friends and family of 3 possible partners and in the end had to choose a date. Dude got more eye rolls than a teenage love movie when he told one family that he was looking for someone slender so that he didn't break his back while trying to take them to bed. But that wasn't even half of the great things viewers saw and heard people on the show say. For one, there was a Shakina lookalike that had everyone confused. Is Ma suited looking for her Mr. Right? And that awkward car conversation was handled perfectly. Keeping with last week's theme, there was someone who also butchered their geography and thought Quay Quay was in Rustenburg. In the end, Neo chose Levo to be his date. Sis suffers from a skin condition that caused a loss of skin color in blotches, but was still dripping confidence. The internet was here for it and came ready with the meme.